Are you excited to discover the secrets to radiant, flawless skin? Well, you're in the right place. Hey there, all you radiant teens. The first step, cleansing. To get started with skincare, the first thing you need to do is cleanse your skin. Cleansing helps get rid of dirt, oil, and makeup from the surface of your skin. It's like preparing a clean canvas for your skincare products to work their magic. You can use a gentle cleanser every day. If you want to give your skin a little extra love, you can use an exfoliating cleanser once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Remember, when you're cleansing, use lukewarm water, not hot water. Hot water can dry out your skin. If you have oily, combination, or acne-prone skin, look for cleansers with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. These can help with acne. Cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. When you're cleansing, be gentle. Use soft, circular strokes, making sure to cover every part of your face. Sun protection. Tips. Sunshine is great, but too much can harm your skin over time. It can lead to premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. So, it's important to protect your skin from the sun's rays. That's where sunscreen comes in. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. It'll guard you against both UVA and UVB rays. Don't forget to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours when you're outside, especially during sunny summers. You can also wear a hat or carry an umbrella to shield yourself from the sun. Moisturizer. Tips now. Let's talk about moisturizing. It's like giving your skin a drink of water to keep it hydrated and healthy. The key is to find a moisturizer that matches your skin type. If you have oily skin, a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer is the way to go. For dry skin, a cream-based moisturizer works best. If your skin is prone to acne, you can use a gel-based moisturizer, and if you have sensitive skin, avoid moisturizers with fragrance. After cleansing and applying sunscreen, don't forget to moisturize your skin. You can also use a hydrating mist throughout the day to give your skin an extra boost of hydration. Exfoliating tips. Exfoliating once or twice a week can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Use a gentle exfoliator that suits your skin type to avoid irritation. Exfoliators with ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid are great for cleaning deeply into your pores. You can also make your own scrub by mixing sugar and honey. Lip care tips. Don't forget about your lips. Apply lip balm before bedtime to prevent dryness. You can also exfoliate your lips gently after brushing your teeth for soft, smooth lips. Be consistent. Lastly, the key to successful skincare is consistency. Establish a regular skincare routine and stick to it. Consistency is essential for seeing results and keeping your skin healthy. Changing skincare products frequently can lead to skin breakouts. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it may take some trial and error to find the right products and routine that work for you. If you have persistent skin concerns or severe acne, consider consulting a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment. Now, you're all set to start your skincare journey towards healthy and radiant skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We're here to support you every step of the way. So that's your ultimate skincare guide for ages 10-18. Your journey to radiant skin starts now, and you're the star. Stay consistent, embrace your beauty, and keep that skin pampered. If this guide helped, show us some love with a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. We're here to support your journey to self-care and confidence. Thanks for being part of this exciting adventure.